eyes, there's a heavy blue. One to love and one to lose. Sweet divine, the heavy truth. Water or wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I look for love in every stranger, took too much to ease the anger off of you, yeah, off of you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you, to get to you. To you, your fingertips trace my skin to places I have never been, and blindly I am following. Break down these walls and come on in. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. And I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I look for love in every stranger, took too much to ease the anger off of you, yeah, off of you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name, when my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you.
Hey guys, so I realized I haven't really done an intro, and I feel like this video is kind of like not as personal, and I don't really want to give off those vibes on my channel, if you know what I mean. So basically what today's video is, as you know by the title, is a productive day with me. I had like a really big to-do list because I've been trying to get out of my recent rut. Yeah, so today I just have like a lot of stuff to do. And I'm trying to just keep myself busy and staying productive and keeping my to-do lists. So I wanted to bring you guys with me, kind of like progress. So yeah, right now I'm just at like a lake that's like 15 minutes from my house, and I'm just really taking in nature and like how pretty and calming it is out here, and you know, getting a little vitamin D never hurt anyone. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And then when I go back to the house, I have a bunch of GYSTing to do, so we'll get into that. But yeah, I just want to give you a quick update, and now let's continue with the montages. Alright, bye.
You will still love me the same, 'cause honey, your soul can never grow, it's evergreen. Baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of the plan. I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now take me into your loving arms.
The highway along the ocean, drive fast through your emotions, high speed, and we're together till the end. The sun is going down, the night, just call it out, through your emotions, high speed, and we're together till the end. The sun is going down, the night, just call it out, high speed, we're still together, nothing more, till the along the ocean, drive fast through your emotions, high speed, and we're together till the end. The sun is going down, the night, just call it out, high speed, we're still together, nothing more.
Hey guys! Alright, so that was basically all that I did today. It's currently 2:12, and basically the rest of my day is just going to consist of editing this video so I can get it up tomorrow. I have some pictures to edit for my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me, this is my Instagram. Make sure to check out my Instagram if you haven't. Yep. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, and definitely hit the subscribe button down below if you're new. It would mean so much to me. Comment down below any video ideas you guys have, just because I always want to make sure that I'm kind of making content you guys like. And with all that said, I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Boom, I'm back. Boom. I was gonna say a different B word, but can't because demonetization. Alright, we're done here. Okay, bye.
Break the scene. One step deep as you fall to me. Hot clap, we skip a beat. Count 1, 2, 3. And don't you stop the music getting